Alright, what's up guys? Frank here with another video, and today I wanted to make a video to show you how you can start designing t-shirt designs for print on demand using only free tools, okay? And so if you're a complete beginner and you might not have that much money to invest, or you might not know exactly what to do, or you just want to test it out, well, I'm going to show you what you can do to get started with print on demand designing, okay? Using only free tools. The first thing that you need to do is figure out what you're going to design, okay? And so there are free tools that you can use, and they're not really free tools, it's basically websites or whatever. You get some ideas on what to design, okay? And so right now I'm on Pinterest and I'm just gonna basically write t-shirt design, okay? And so here you can just get a few examples of some sort of t-shirt that are working great, okay? And so it's just to give you some ideas. You can use Pinterest, and you can even go on Amazon and just write t-shirt, and you just look at the first pages of what is happening, okay? Here, actually, it's just blank T-shirt, but maybe like you want to look into maybe cat T-shirts, then you get some cat T-shirt designs, and okay, and so that can give you some ideas. Okay, I want to create a T-shirt about cats. Okay, and you can basically check on any marketplace. Okay, right now I checked on Pinterest and I checked on Amazon. You can also check on Etsy, and you can also check on Redbubble. You just look at what are people buying, and you just look at the marketplaces. You can look at the home page, or you can just make some random research, cat shirt, for example, and just look at what is bringing up. Okay, so basically you can do that, and it's basically free, and you can get some inspiration from these images. But remember to not copy these images because that's illegal and you cannot do that, okay? And so right now I just started to look at cat t-shirts, so I'm gonna keep doing cat t-shirts, okay? So now that I have an idea of what I want to do, then you can go to Microsoft Designer. And the reason when you want to go on Microsoft Designer is because the image generator here that you can use here using this button here, generate image, basically use the latest AI image generator available as of right now, and it's completely free to use, okay? And so it's completely free to use, and you can also use these images for commercial use, okay? And so if you're starting in print on demand, it's really important to know these things because, for example, you might use other services, but these services might not permit you to use the software for commercial use. And so since you're going to sell t-shirt and sell stuff with the design, then it's important that you have commercial use with the software and the content that you create, okay? And so what you're going to create here, you can just basically uh, create anything, okay? So right now I'm just gonna go with a vector design on a spotless white background of a cartoon cat. Okay, and so I'm just gonna create a cartoon cat as a design, and we'll see what we get here. Okay, I think this is a really cute cat right here. And so what you can do, you can simply zoom in, and you see, I think this is a really cute image. And maybe some person would have to have this cat, this cute cat, on a t-shirt, and this cat will also be a great sticker. And so you could easily put this on Redbubble, and it could easily sell on a sticker. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to save this image. I'm going to call it cat. Okay, and so now the thing is that you cannot sell the image as it is right now, because if I open this image right now, as you can see, there's some sort of white background, and you cannot simply put this on a t-shirt, okay? And now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use a software that is called ClipDrop. And basically, ClipDrop is a bunch of AI tools, okay, that you can use. And in this case, I'm going to use the tool to remove the background from the image, okay? So I'm just going to slide the image, my cat, into the software. I'm going to ask it to remove the background. And it is basically completely free. You don't need to pay for this software. And so there it is. Now I have this amazing cat right now that I can download as a PNG file. And now the last thing that we need to do is that we need to make sure that our image that we have now, we need to make sure that it has the right size to put it on a t-shirt, okay? Because right now the dimensions are not quite right. And so if I check in the image, the property of the image right now is 1024 pixel by 1024 pixels. And so we need to make the design a little bit bigger so that it fits on a t-shirt. So right now what I'm going to use is that I'm going to use Photopea, which is basically a free editing software, image software, and we're basically going to create a new project, okay? And so here I'm going to create a new project, and the dimensions are 4500 by 5400. Okay, and so I'm gonna create this, and so now I have this Canva, and I'm gonna simply slide my design in. And so the idea now is that you simply make your image bigger so that it fits in the Canva. And what I usually do is that I put my design a little bit on the higher side of the design, because when you create a t-shirt, usually you want your design to be on top of the shirt and not exactly on the middle, because if you have the design on the belly, it's kind of a little bit weird. And so usually you want to make the design a little bit higher on the Canva so that it appears kind of on your chest. And so now what you can do is simply remove the white background, because we want the background to be transparent so that it appears good on a t-shirt. Okay, so now that I remove the background, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to export as a PNG file. I'm going to export. And so now I have this amazing cat that has a transparent background and has the right dimensions to put on the t-shirt. And so that was my video to make designs and get started with print on demand using only free tools. And so if you are a beginner, I hope that this video was helpful, and let me know if you have any question. Okay, peace.